So what is a linear regression? It's all about finding the best fit line. So we have hypothesis function. So the linear regression, it's all about plotting the data and finding the best fit line. So it calculates the distance from our endpoints and try to fit so that it could make the best prediction and give us the better output. So this is what linear regression do, and find the true line that is called our predicted line or predicted outputs. So then let's deep dive into the mathematical form. So we got the hypothesis function. Here we have slope, then we have data, and then we have intercept. This is called the cost function. The lower the score, the better our output is. And then we have gradients, which calculate. Now let's talk about cost function landscape. So it integrates the distance or the error between our predicted and the actual score. So it tells us what the error, so the lower the score, the better output would be. Now let's talk about the convergence analysis. So here, if we have the smooth convergence, then our model performing good. For example, at a is equals to 0.01, our model is performing good. Then we have a is equals to 0.5, we have oscillation and some kind of damping. So how to solve the problem using the linear regression? Here we got the hour study and then we got the score. So what would be the score if a person would study 6 hours? So let's calculate it. So here we got some of the formula. To calculate the linear regression, we got y prediction is equals to a plus bx. So here we got x is equals to the input value, so that will be the x. After that we got a, which will be the intercept, and then we got b, which is slope, and then we have the formula for a and b. So for the formula for b is equals to sum of x minus x mean into y minus y mean divided by x minus x mean whole square. And for a, we will just shift the formula. We will bring a here and bring y there. So it will be a is equals to y cap plus, will be minus bx. So this is the formula. So first we will calculate b, then a, and we will put with the x. So here we got 6. So wherever the value, we will multiply with the b, and then we will add with a, and we will get the prediction for the y score. So here first of all you have to calculate how many hours they have studied. So you will calculate sum them all and divided by the total number. So here they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we will do this, we will get the x like 3, and same goes for the y. So y would be 63. Now let's plot it with column here, and this is x minus x cape. So let's just subtract the values, and if you subtract 1 minus 3, that would be minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, then 2. Same goes for y minus y cap. So if you subtract 63 from 50, or 50 from 63, like it will be minus 13. Same goes minus 8, then 2, 7, and then it will be 12. So now you will multiply both these values, so it will be 26, 8, 0, 7, and 24. And now take this value and we will take the square root. So the square root of 2 is 4. Let me just put x minus x into y minus yk, and here it is x minus x mean square. So it will be 4, 1, 0, and then 1. And also, if you take the square root of 2, that will be 4. And the next will be the 4. Now calculate the b-intercept. So just put the values. So we got our value 26 plus 8, and then 0 plus 24. Just add these values here. 26 plus 8 plus 0 plus 7 plus 24, and then 4 plus 1. Then here, why we have x minus x bar square, so we will divide it. 1, 4, 1, 0 plus 1 plus 4. So it will be 65 divided by 10. And then we will use 6.5. So we got b, which is 6.5. After that we will calculate a. So the formula for a is y cap. So y cap is the mean. So and y plus b, so b is here, which is 6.5 into xk, which is 3. So let's just put the values. We got y here, which is 63 minus 6.5 into 3, which is equals to 43.5. So we got a, which is 43.5, and b, which is 6.5. So now let's plot the value. So what was the formula? The formula was y prediction is equals to a plus b of x. So now we have 6 hours. So let's put the value. Where is the a? A was 43.5 plus, what was the b? B was 6.5, and then we want the prediction of 6. So how many? Like 6 or, and what will be the score? So if you put here 6.5 and then multiply with 6, so it will be y prediction is equals to 82.5. So here it will be 82.5. If it will say like, let's go with the 7. So you have calculated all the value, just put the value of a plus 6.5, that will be the b, and here just put 7. And you will put the 7 and you will get the marks. Okay, so now let's implement the example in Python. So that will be raw. We don't need any library, so we will do this by like a raw code. First create the x, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are our studied, and then y is equals to 50, 55, 65, 70, and 75. So first we have to calculate mean. So let's calculate mean. X is equals to sum of x, so that will be the total sum, and then divided by the length of x. Same goes for mean of y, that will be sum of y divided by the length of y. So here we have got the mean. So now let's calculate the numerator and denominator of the prediction. From the prediction we got the b-intercept. So for that b we will divide it into numerator and denominator, like we have x minus x cap into y minus y cap divided by x minus x squared. So the above part will be numerator and the down part will be denominator. So let's calculate slope and intercept. So numerator sorry, my bad. Numerator will be 0, and then denominator, that will be 0. So now let's calculate for I in range length of x. Yeah, that will be x, and how to calculate the numerator, that will be equals to plus to x of first value minus mean of I multiply by y into I, and then sorry, not here, and then y minus mean y. Or you don't have to put this, my bad. Then we got the denominator, which is equals to, we got x into I minus mean of x, and then we got the power of 2. So that's how we will calculate our numerator and denominator. So b here, which is slope, it will be numerator divided by denominator. And to calculate a, that will be mean y minus b into mean of x. So let's print our equations. Let's put the f string here so that we could print the values. So y is equals to a into dot 2f, and then plus speed, that will be 2 round off. Now let's build a prediction, and we will pass the x column, and then return or a plus b to x. Small x. Okay, so now we have r is equals to 6. Now predicted score is equals to predict prediction, and now we'll put the r's. Now let's run it. So that will be 111.75. So here it will be the score. Here it will be score. Let's run it again. And yeah, we got a score.